Welcome back to a new video. Today's tutorial is going to be something different. We're not going to make use of any stickers or stamping or water decals or foils. We're just going to use these color tips that are readily available. So we're not going to need to do any preparation. That will be saving us some time and product. I'm just going to start off by getting rid of the little nippies on the free edges by filing that lightly. This is going to be a challenge for me today, as this is a very small canvas to work with. But these are the colors that I'm planning on using. Before we start, we're just going to put down a few colors on our palette. Then we're going to take out one of our detailer brushes. And then to start off, we're going to start applying our blooming ink. But we're not going to cure it as yet. We're just going to apply a thin layer. We don't want to add too much blooming ink, as the details that we're going to do is going to be very small and we don't want it to bloom too much. And then, without overthinking it too much, we're going to start adding our little flowers or petals. We have not cured the blooming ink as yet. We first going to finish off our design. What's interesting, you can actually see the little petals blooming as we go. And I'm actually having a lot of fun. And once you're happy, you can just leave it for a bit so it can bloom. And only once you're happy, we're going to cure for 60 seconds. Then moving on to the second nail, we're just going to add our blooming ink again. And then we're just going to repeat the process again. If you had to do this design on a white nail, the colors will be a lot more vibrant. You can overlap some of the flowers, or you can drag out some of the petals if you like. You can see how the flowers just starts forming by itself. I've already applied the blooming ink on this nail. This would be a great design to try if you're a beginner. It's actually the first time I'm trying it. And the smaller the nail is, the smaller the detail needs to be. And now on to our last nail. And I did forget to mention that I do wipe my brush on the right before I use a different color. And now that we're done, we're just going to go in with a no wipe top coat, and we're going to cure that for 60 seconds. This was really a quick and easy design to try, and you can see how the petals has formed by itself. Before I started, or not knowing what I wanted to do, this is the nail I've tried by using two different greens without wiping my brush. It gives me tropical vibes, and this was the result with a matte top coat. And this is the outcome of our design. I think you will agree that it's easy enough to try. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. I hope this has inspired you to give it a try. Thank you once again for taking the time. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.